What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. We gotta go over Shiba Inu here today. As you can see, there has been a little bit of a drop, but this drop is universal throughout the whole crypto market, even the stock market. But anyways, hit the like button and subscribe. It really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Thank you to everyone that helped get the channel up to 10,000 subscribers. Wouldn't be able to do all of this without you all. So definitely thank everyone for that. And also leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you all want me to go over next. And if you want to help support the channel, go ahead and send a Cash App or PayPal donation through the donation link in the description. And if you want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link inside of the description. Use the discount code Marsellis for 25% off. Now, let's go straight over this. As you can see now, the bears are in control of the 24-hour market control by 60% here inside of Shiba Inu. Now, that's not too bad right now. What I'm really looking at here is this green supply and demand area right here. Pretty much the supply and demand areas, the green areas, there's pretty much showing that we have lots of demand for Shiba Inu, right? Lots of demand for whatever we're looking at. And then the red areas are pretty much showing that we have less demand for whatever we're looking at. And right now we're looking at Shiba Inu. So right now we are slowly but surely trickling down to this 4,700, 4,600 resistance here. And we are support, not resistance. When we actually hit the support though, it's going to end up sending us straight up because this is where our supply and demand is showing there's lots of demand there. So second we hit this area, there's lots of demand, so we'll probably start this to rise back up once we hit this, but we'll probably see a little bit more of a retracement. If we continue to go down on this downtrend, we'll end up seeing this retracement leading us down to the 4,600, 4,700 area. So that's probably what we'll see inside the near future here with Shiba Inu, but that's short term. Now let's go over our long-term outlooks here with Shiba Inu and what we have coming up here next in Shiba Inu. So let's look at that now. Shiba Inu presents buy opportunity before Shiba launches to 0001. And that's really all this is a buying opportunity. And that's what the whales are going to be using it as. Remember, the only reason we're going down is because what happened inside the whole overall markets today, not even just crypto. Remember, Biden just now released the infrastructure plan where he's trying to tax brokerages who have people investing $10,000 or more. Now they have to send that information straight to the IRS. So this is going to affect a lot of crypto brokerages. So what's going to happen here with these crypto brokerages, now they're going to have to do different coding. They're going to have to hire different coders to make an algorithm to find everyone who has $10,000 plus inside their brokerage. And now they're going to have to send all that information to the IRS. They're going to have to update their skill databases. They're going to have to update so many databases. Database management is going to be at a peak right now. So anyone who's doing database management jobs are going to be needed. Anyone who's doing coding jobs going to be needed. You're going to be needed with that Python. You're going to be needed. Anyone doing coding is going to be really needed inside all these crypto brokerages because they're about to have to do a lot of work to get all of this stuff to the IRS. They're going to have to report a lot of things. And pretty much this is just spreading FUD inside the crypto market, fear, uncertainty, and doubt, which is why we dropped. It's funny because people are acting like this is something new, but this is just taxes 101. Like anyone who's making money inside any kind of investment is going to have to pay taxes on that, especially inside the United States. So that's where a lot of the money is coming from. So that's why we're seeing this drop, because people are getting scared and they're selling out. And really what it is, the whales are selling out and they're buying back in at the dip. So the second it dips, the whales buy back in. So anyways, as you can see here, we are slowly but surely trickling down to this trend line that I was, not trend line, but the support line I was talking about, the 4,600, 4,700 supply and demand area. That's probably where we're going to see Shiba Inu head to next. And anyways, let's keep going over this. So Shiba Inu price continues to test the bear market trend line on its 253 box point and figure chart. So a massive 75% spike higher is likely if Shiba Inu cracks above the resistance. So they're saying we could possibly spike 75% if we can get above this resistance. So until a bullish breakout occurs, Shiba Inu still has near-term bearish pressure. So right now, yes, we do have a small bearish pressure right now. But when we actually break out, when we hit this resistance, this is going to be huge for Shiba Inu. So this is pretty much the resistance they're talking about, 650, 650. So Shiba Inu price continues to struggle with a return to the 650 value area. Return to 650 could prelude a massive breakout and bear trap. However, a rejection will likely initiate a sell-off. So if we get rejected, then yes, we're going to continue to sell off here with SHIB. Now we do have strong support down here at the 4,600, 4,700 area, like I was saying earlier. So Shiba Inu price faces final test and buy opportunity to push on to new all-time high. So Shiba Inu price is at a make it or break it level pretty much. So to move higher, Shiba Inu must break out above the bear market trend line, which is the red diagonal line down here. That's what they're talking about down there. So over here, you can see, however, there may be some initial difficulties. A return to 650 would create a double top against the volume point of control, which is the red horizontal line going straight down there, and then horizontal, not diagonal, horizontal. But anyways, and the bear market angle. So therefore, initial rejection should be anticipated and desired. So a breakout above the anticipated double top would likely face immediate and long-term selling pressure. So instead, bulls should look for an initial pullback after the double top is made, then wait for a triple top to develop. So like I'm saying, we are going to be going through a pullback here. We're going to pull back to these 4,700, 4,600 levels. Then from there, we'll be able to build more momentum up, because the bulls will look at this, the whales will look at this as a buying opportunity, and that's what's going to help build the momentum back up. But first, we have to present that buying opportunity so then they can buy it up, and so then we can continue to rise. That's pretty much what we got to do here. But anyway, so instead, bulls should look for an initial pullback after the double top is made, then wait for a triple top to develop. So waiting for a triple top to split, or the split triple top is essential to confirm that Shiba Inu price will push on a new all-time high pretty much. So, however, traders will want to observe if Shiba Inu price faces any rejection from moving to or above 650. Shiba Inu could see a resumption of the current selling pressure, with the price moving to previously reviewed lows. So traders will want to pay special attention to the 0.00004 level, as the volume profile becomes considerably thin, indicating effortless moves lower if Shiba Inu price moves to that price zone. So pretty much we're predicting that we do have a short-term bearish outlook here. So we're going to be bearish short-term. We're going to go on a little bit of a downtrend here short-term. But yeah, anyways, Shiba Inu definitely has some resistance that we have to face at the 650 area. That's pretty much where we're trying to get out of. And as you can see here with the supply and demand areas, we have lots of resistance here. So we just have to work on building that momentum back up. And the way to do that is pretty much by buying the dip. So we have to wait for this dip and then let it play out and see how everything plays in the future. But anyways, as you can see here, Shiba Inu right now, 0.5 or 5.0 pretty much is what we're down by in the last 24 hours. 7.7 is the last 7 days, 28.9 in the last 14 days, almost at a million holders right now. I don't know who's going to win at this point, Shiba Inu or Baby Doge, to get to a million holders first, but they're both almost there. So shout out to both armies. So yesterday we had 966,736 people in Shiba Inu. Now today we have 967,418 in Shiba Inu. So every day we're getting more and more holders inside Shiba Inu. And hit the refresh button, and then from 967,418 to 967,590. So a bunch of people investing in the Shiba Inu all the time. And also, you can't forget to mention about this whole thing that's happening with not BitPay, but with AMC. AMC is actually about to start accepting Shiba Inu, and they're going to be doing it through BitPay. So this is about to be really big for us, really, really big. So I'm just waiting for this to happen. When that happens, there's going to probably be a whole meme coin rally, or like a meme rally, and then we're going to go crazy big on there. Some good news coming up inside Shiba Inu very soon. But anyways, SHIB consolidates in a tight range, calm before the storm pretty much. So as you can see, our key supports being the 44 area to the 50 area, and our key resistance being the 55 to the 63 area. So we got some stuff to break here with Shiba Inu, and we got some stuff to hold. We got to hold our support, and we got to break our resistance. That's pretty much all we got to do here with Shiba Inu, and we will be fine. So anyways, technical indicators of SHIB price. So volume has remained low after the breakout from the descending triangle. This can be the calm before the storm. And yeah, like they're saying, like the volume has been low, but this is the calm before the storm. As you can see, Shiba Inu's price has been very stagnant since then. It's been moving very calmly, very stagnant, because previously we had a huge bull run. And now that we're coming off that, we're kind of cooling down right now. We're cooling off, and then eventually we're going to rise again. So the RSI has remained around the 50 points level, and market forces appear in a pause before they can push RSI in either direction. So the MACD, while the MACD completed a bullish cross on the 4-hour time frame during the breakout from the descending triangle, the momentum that followed was weak. However, on the daily time frame, the MACD is painting higher lows on the histogram, indicating that a bullish trend may return soon. So we may actually have this bullish trend coming soon. So over here you can see the bias. The bias on SHIB is neutral at this time. So while the breakout from the descending triangle was a bullish signal, the momentum was not there to sustain the uptrend pretty much. So a break of the key resistance of 55 is required to turn bullish again. So they're pretty much saying that we have to drop to get bullish, because when we drop, that's when we build momentum, because the bulls, the whales, they see buying opportunities. They buy the dip, and that motivates the retail buyers to go ahead and buy the dip as well. So this is pretty much how things work in crypto. So now that we are below 0.55, or well, 0.000055, now we're about to start seeing more people buying in the Shiba Inu, because it's presenting a buying opportunity, and this is actually giving people the opportunity to make money. And as you can see here, we are slowly but surely reaching that supply and demand. So it shows that it's true there. But anyways, this is what we got for Shiba Inu. Remember though, I'm not a financial advisor, none of this financial advice. But yeah, definitely hit the like button and subscribe. It really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Shout out to everyone that subscribed to the channel. Shout out to everyone that supports the channel. And also, shout out to everyone that leaves a comment in the comment section. You can go ahead and leave a comment there. Let me know what you all want me to go over next. And also, if you want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link in the description. Use the discount code Marsellis for 25% off. And as always, I'll be back with another video. Peace.